It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh.
So I'm going now. Peace out. Bye guys. See you guys soon. So I have a class scheduled for 9 a.m. Your girl decided not to go. I decided to go for the class that is scheduled for 2 p.m. because I don't know why I'm going to go for a class by 9 a.m. and the class is going to end by 10 a.m. and I'm going to sit right in school, wait for about 4 hours before having another class. Then no, I'm not doing that. Not today. Not that I can't do that, but like not today.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar
So I'm presently on community medicine posting, and today we have a visit to the Herbatia, and I don't know how the place is going to be, but if it is looking nice and it's somewhere I can actually make a vlog, I'm going to. But if it is not, then nah. As I'm not noticing, I'm trying to show off my wristwatch. I just hope today is a good day because I don't want to stress. I actually realized that something is missing in my outfit, and that is my chain. Oh my god. Babe, my show. Hi. This is the only vlog I'm going to make for my channel from this day. Say hi. That's what I'm making. Hello.
Hello. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe.
Me.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you, my friend.
Like and subscribe. Click the button beneath.
Yes, that's the vibe. Yes. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. Really? Wow. I'm going to oh my god. I'm going to be posting a vlog today. I've been editing this file for over a week now, and I'm so happy. Oh my god. I'm so happy.